Yes, Satyakal students, today we are going to discuss about parallel lines and transversal. Also, we are going to discuss all the angles formed when a transversal intersects non-parallel lines. Students, just see, let us say this is line M and this is line N. Well, we know very well that these are non-parallel lines. This line name is M with small letter and this line is N. Now students, when another line is intersecting both the lines, that line is known as transversal. So let us say students, at any angle, this is the transversal name L, which is intersecting these two non-parallel lines M and N. Now students, so many angles are formed, right? This is, let us say, angle 1. Let us say this is angle 2, angle 3, then angle 4, angle 5. Total 8 angles are formed. Let's say this is angle 6, angle 7, and this is angle 8. Right, students? Now, we want to name these angles. Students, just see angle 1, angle 2, these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, these are exterior angles. Why? Because you see students, this portion of it is known as interior part of two lines. This part is exterior part, this part is also exterior part, baharla part. So that's why angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8, all these 4 angles are known as, yes Falgunji, exterior angles. Exterior matlab outside. All right. Similarly, students, these angles, because these angles are enclosed between line M and N, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are known as, come on students, yes, very good, interior angles. Very, very important. Right, students? Now, we want to define corresponding angles. Right, students? Corresponding angles. See, students, actually, what is the meaning of corresponding? I will tell you. Imagine, students, that this is one rectangle, right? Now this is other rectangle, right, students? Now you can say if AB is the side of bigger rectangle, then corresponding side of AB is CD. Similarly, corresponding side of AP is CZ. Corresponding side of PM is ZN and corresponding side of BM is, any student, DN. Similarly, students,
N.
we can talk about corresponding angles also. Here, angle P and angle Z are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle A and angle C are corresponding angles. Angle B's corresponding angle is D. Angle M is corresponding angle of angle N. Right? This is also one different concept of corresponding. Here, based upon same concept, can you tell one angle which is the corresponding angle of one? See, what is the corresponding angle of one? Angle 1 and angle 5. These two angles are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 2 and, come on students,
Angle 6.
correct.
6.
Angle 6 is also corresponding. There will be 4 pairs. One is this pair. Second pair, what is the third pair? Angle 4 and, come on, angle 8.
Angle 8.
Also corresponding. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7 also corresponding angles. Interesting, students. When lines M and N are non-parallel, am I right? These are non-parallel lines, students. Then the corresponding angles are not equal. Very interesting thing. Means angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding, but angle 1 is not equal to angle 5. For M and N lines which are non-parallel and a transversal L is intersecting them. All the corresponding angles so formed will not be equal. Right, students? But just see, students, when these lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel. Let us say their name is M and N. Now let us say a transversal L is intersecting them. Well, this can intersect at any angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, any angle. This is transversal L. Now, students, now can you tell what is the corresponding angle of one?
Angle 2.
Correct. Now angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Very interesting thing we have learned. When two lines are parallel, then their transversal L will make 4 pairs of corresponding angles. All the corresponding angles will be equal. 3 is equal to 4. Now you can say 5 angle corresponding angle is 6. These are also equal. And angle 7 and angle 8, these are also equal. So I've told you the difference between corresponding angles in non-parallel lines and parallel lines. All right. Now let's learn what are alternate interior angles, students. Alternate interior angles. Students, which are the alternate interior angles? Students, angle 4 and angle 6. These are known as alternate interior angles. Interestingly, students, they are also not equal in case of two lines M and N which are non-parallel. Right? Now, the second pair of alternate interior angle is angle 3 and anyone? Angle
5.
5.
correct. Angle 3 and angle 5, one pair. and angle 4 and angle 6 is second pair of alternate interior angle. Now we will talk about alternate exterior angle. Exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. So students, now angle 1 is there and angle 7 is there. These are alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7. What is the other pair? Can you tell of alternate exterior angles? Angle 2
8.
and angle 8 are also alternate exterior angles. Again, students, now you see if it is parallel lines and this is the transversal, see this angle and this angle will be
Same.
same. This is, let's say this angle is 4 and this angle is 8. These alternate exterior angles will be same. Other pair of alternate exterior angle is this. Let's say this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. They will also be same in case of parallel lines. Beautiful. Now students, we learn about interior angles. I'm not talking about alternate. I am only talking about interior angle on the same side of transversal. What did I say? Interior angles on the same side of transversal. So students, this is one side of transversal and this is other side of transversal and these two sides are interior sides. Am I right? So what are the interior angles on the same side of transversal? Students, angle 4, this angle and angle 5 are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Also we can say 3 and 6 are interior angles on the same side of transversal. Angle 4 and angle 5 are also interior angles on the same side of transversal. Am I right, students? These interior angles on the same side of transversal are also known as consecutive interior angles. These are also known as consecutive interior angles. Am I right, students? So this is all about when transversal L is intersecting two non-parallel lines M and N. What are the different pairs of angle formed? We have discussed. We have also seen all these pair of angles when the lines are parallel will be, anyone? All these pair of angles when M and N lines are parallel, which are being intersected by a transversal L, all these pair of angles will be equal, which we have already discussed.
Equal.
I wish you all the best, students. We will see you day after tomorrow.